Good morning. All right, so today's June 27th, and finally, ES got to that low volume area where that I've been talking about for a little bit, and I said that we're probably gonna see some sellers here, and now we are seeing some sellers. See how we got here. Now we have a double distribution on the overnight session, and now we're attempting to break the upper distribution and get into this bottom one. So yesterday we had a P-shaped profile. We left some single prints at the bottom of this spike, and close at the top of the range. That we left a bullish imbalance with the target at 62.25. We got to 62.21ish, and now we're selling. So we have inventory almost, I would say it's maybe 95% long. So these are ideal conditions to get inventory correction, right? Like we're at this area of resistance. We're opening with a gap up above range, outside range. So we should see a gap fill and a move to yesterday's close to fill that gap to settle. When I said we should, doesn't mean that it will happen, but it's very high probabilities. And then from there, since we almost corrected that bullish imbalance, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back to the point of control and then test yesterday's value area low. But it's been hard for shorts to get any continuation, so we'll see what we get. But first target is yesterday's high, second target yesterday's close at 61.96, third target overnight low and yesterday's point of control at 61.92, and then yesterday's value area low, which is 61.80, which is also the half of yesterday's range, right? So from the top to the bottom, that's right at the half. So I'm expecting buyers to defend that area, and if not, at least test the single prints and then maybe clean them up, and then start moving back higher. But the 5-day point of control and the weekly VWAP are here at 61.45ish, a little higher than that. But in the case that sellers keep pushing, this is the magnet short term. Now the other scenario is that we cannot fill the gap. We start moving higher again, we break the overnight high, and then once we start trading above this 62.25, I would expect this 62.36 high volume node to be tested pretty quickly, and then we have this distribution right here, and then we should see some resistance up here at 62.63, and then from there we only have this as the last level of references, which is the all-time highs for the back adjusted chart, which is at 62.85 and change, and then that's it. We don't have any more references. So then we have to start using extensions, pivot points, etc. If I'm not mistaken, SPX is going to open at all-time highs now, so keep that in mind too. Watch SPX, and then also for NQ, we're almost at all-time highs too on the back adjusted charts, and similar structure, coming back, filling the gap, looking for a move through value if we start trading inside the range. Crude is still consolidating around the same area, not much to say here. And gold, so I had I took a long here yesterday when we retested this point of control, but then it started moving my way. I didn't take profit. Like, it started moving right away, but I just let it go. And last night, gold broke down, took my stop, and now it's heading to that 32.65. So trading this little distribution right here. So if it gets back about 33.05-ish, I'm willing to go long again and target this area, the 33.45 area. But then we have some support here at the 32.40 to 32.25 area. All right. So today is we have 2 sessions left on the quarter, and then we have a short week. Next week we have a short week because we have 4th of July, which the market are close, and then we have July, which statistically speaking is a very bullish month. So I'm not expecting too much of a pullback if we get a pullback. All right, good luck, and forgot to say at 10 a.m. we have University of Michigan sentiment report, so keep an eye on that. All right, good luck.